Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make my dad's pork adobo. I finally learned how to make my dad's delicious pork adobo. If you've never had Filipino adobo before, you have to try it. It's braised pieces of meat in soy sauce and vinegar. It's tangy, savory, and so flavorful, and served best over some steamed rice. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to add about 3 pounds of boneless pork shoulder country style ribs. I trimmed most of the fat off and I cut them into about 1-inch cubes. Next, add half a cup of kikkoman soy sauce, and 1 cup of regular white vinegar. Everybody loves my dad's pork adobo, and I've been wanting to learn this recipe for quite a while now, and I took full advantage learning it from him while he was staying at my house. Now we're going to be adding 1.5 cups of water. This is going to be simmering for a while, so we don't want it to get dry. Now I'm going to add about 8 to 10 cloves of smashed and roughly chopped garlic. You can use whole peppercorns, which is what my dad uses and which is used traditionally in Filipino adobo. But I'm using fresh ground pepper just so I don't have to fish them out when my kids eat this. So this next part is really important. My dad says to not stir it for the first 20 minutes. Just bring to a boil, cover, and let simmer between medium and medium-low heat. Oops, sorry, I forgot to add 1/4 cup of oil while we were adding all of the other ingredients. Better late than never. After 20 minutes, go ahead and give it a stir. Another tip is that my dad likes to eat pretty lean, so he trims off most of the fat off the meat. So here I started off with about 3.75 pounds of meat, and then after trimming off the fat, I have about 3 pounds. Go ahead and cover it and let it simmer for another 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 30 minutes, uncover and increase the heat to high. We want the sauce to reduce down and thicken so that all that flavor goes into the meat. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. This is one of the most popular Filipino dishes and one of the most easiest to make. Growing up, this was always on my parents' meal rotation and I didn't mind it at all. And now this has become one of my son's favorite foods, and I love that it reminds me of my childhood. So hopefully one day they can make it for their kids too. Okay, so the sauce has reduced and this is a must. You have to serve it over some rice. Filipino adobo is meant to be eaten with rice, and I'm not sure if cauliflower rice will cut it. You guys, the pork is nice and tender and it's just bursting with flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.